San Sebastian versus Perpetual in their first face-off in the season. Martin Javier with Prince Rivero here in the broadcast. Later on, we'll be joined by Mikay Mindanao. First crack at the basket here for the Perpetual Altas, who have been very impressive in the season so far. 3-2. Nobody expected them to be this good, but they continue to perform. Ito na si Marco Cruz taking the first shot and making it right away. The season so far, 3-2. Nobody expected them to be this good, but they continue to perform. Ito na si Marco Cruz taking the first shot and making it right away.
Alam mo, isang bagay na pwede mo talagang gawin if you're a leader ng team is to start aggressively sa umpisa pa lang to set the tone for your teammates and at the same time sa kalaban, syempre.
Marco Cruz, eto, patuloy yung pag-angat ng kanyang kumpiyansa. Perpetual gets the steal. Orgo thought about it, but he will set the table at the half court. Pagaran from the side. Turnaround. Avis connects, and Perpetual is off to a hot start.
Alam mo, parang nakikita ko dito sa tinatakbo ng medyo triangle offense. Ang ganda nung entry na yon, and then that back pick giving the space for the big guy to have that open shot.
Well, that's Coach O. That carried over from the coaching of Coach Mike Sagigit, now with Coach Olsen, as Aremes fires right there. Of course, Coach O has a good look of the triangle with Coach Tim Cone.
Yes, of
in
course,
the pros.
of course.
Pagaran. Avis sends it out. Orgo will take this. Orgo knocks it down. 3 out of 3 are the Altas to start this game. A quick trigger timeout called by Coach Arvin Bonleon. But ball ending up with Paeng. Are, step back jumper, got it for Paeng Are. First points of the day for Basket. Pagaran is open.
With renewed focus at determination in order to get that bounce back win. Ang sabi nga ni Paeng Are na nakakatulong talaga sa pag-grow ng team ang pagkatalo nila, kaya dirty feet will serve as a lesson to improve. Ang game plan naman ni Coach Arvin Bonleon.
Hey, para sa San Sebastian, Velasco scores.
With 3 seconds left sa shot clock, kita naman natin si Coach na parang meron silang nakahat.
Sends it out, Pascual, extra pass. Sa ilalim sila kumuha, Rex Gabat scores.
Napakaganda nung extra pass na yon.
And this is now a 9-0 counter-attack by San Sebastian. Short stop. Kinuha na sa loob ni Anthony Pagaran. That breaks the 9-0 run of San Sebastian. Pulling it down. Ito na ang Perpetual going big. Wow! Hallelujah! Pagaran scores and completes it.
May isa pa palang way kung paano ma-break ang zone. Yun syempre pag tinakbo mo yung bola for that transition. Kasi bago pa sila makaset up ng zone defense nila, makakatira ka na.
Perpetual turning it up here in the first. Are di Discarte. Step back, jumper. That's too strong. Rebound, put back. Lintol scores. Back and forth we go here in the first. Si Coach Olsen naman ang kukuha ng timeout. They're up by 1. Magiging diskarte ng dalawang teams natin here in the second frame. Good start for Perpetual. Eman Pizarro. That's big-to-big passing for the Altas.
In the past few games, ito si Escobedo at saka si Are are struggling to make those kinds of baskets na kahit malapit na, hindi talaga mahulog-hulog.
Goho Cruz closely guarded. Goho Cruz with some opening this time, and he connects just from inside the arc.
Ayan na naman po si MGC. Aggressive na naman po ang kanyang umpisa, and tingnan natin kung makahawa ang kanyang mga teammates. Wow!
Yeah. About time. Raymart Escobedo connecting from the outside. His first basket of the game.
And I think napabuti yung pagbati ko dun sa mga pass.
Boral, downhill, sidestep. Boral all the way.
Imagine having a tall guard attacking the lane ng ganun.
Perpetual has the numbers. Drop off. Alice on the finish of the setup job by Goho Cruz.
Uulitin ko lang ulit. Sino yung nandun sa baba? Big man. Yan yung mga bagay na nire-reward mo. And I think that was a good pass.
Yeah.
That was a good pass from MGC.
Teka, may nawala ng sapato. Si Ricio nagtatali pa. Or si Felibrico ang nagtatali sa kabila. But he's good to go. Aguilar. Ricio. Kaya pa rin. Ari offensive board. Paeng! Puts it up and in. Dinadaan sa sipag ng San Sebastian, and that's enabled them to hang around with Perpetual here in the second. Under 3 minutes remaining. Look at the swarm D. Pascual, wow! Long one-hand jumper for Pascual.
That was a tough floater. That was a tough floater. Running floater. For you to be able to connect that, you need to have the mastery and the reps of doing it sa practice. Wow.
And Evan Pesaro takes care of business underneath. Christian Pagaran with a beautiful setup.
Open perimeter shots and syempre yung mga drop passes. Pero napakagandang rebound.
Leonard Velasco.
Nakuha nitong ni Leonard.
Ito, Pascual. Boom! At the horn for Polo Gabat.
You know, him being aware of the time na meron pa siyang move na pwedeng gawin before that buzzer. Na enough pa para sa isang shot fake and one dribble bago niya mabitawan yung bola.
That's good awareness.
Yes, good awareness and high IQ basketball.
That's right. Inilapit pa niya for a better percentage in his shot. And Gabat right in front of him. Paeng! Paeng! On the drive! And San Sebastian is within one. Let's use this opportunity to go courtside with Pagaran scores with Mikay Mindanao this time. Mikay, go ahead.
Stick to the game plan. Ito ang paulit-ulit na reminder ni Coach Arvin Bonleon sa kanyang team. Sabi pa nga niya na dahil dito, nahihirapan silang bumalik on their defense. Also, Martin, sabi nga sa dugout na kailangan nilang mag-communicate and i-recognize yung plays ng kanilang opponents. Nagkakaroon din ng lapses sa kanilang mga plays. And ngayong aware na ang team of what they should do, titignan natin if the Stags would be able to make a comeback in this second half. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Prince.
Well, Mikay, good signs for San Sebastian as they are able to have a good start in the third. Pero inuunti-unti sila dito ni Chris Pagaran.
And again, pinag-usapan natin kanina kung gaano ka nagsa-struggle si Pagaran during the first half. Ang ganda ng play. They were trying to deny the guys facing the ball. The big man underneath, the guy flashing up high and then the court.
Gabat all the way. Still on the score for San Sebastian. He's home for JP Boral. He now has 8 points in the game.
That was a tough shot to make.
Yeah. JP Boral against multiple defenders. Lefty finish for Angelo Helsano.
Ang ganda. Napakaganda ng spin bago ma-finish nito ni Gelsano. Alam mo, bago niya natanggap yung pasa na yun, I was about to say na quality minutes.
From long distance.
And I think nabati ko ata.
Kinailangan niya ng San Sebastian. Kasi namagana yung abante ng Perpetual kanina. Montemayor. Oh, down the middle. Helsano. This guy is having a solid game for Perpetual. 8 points with 5 boards and 3 assists. And more importantly, they reestablish their 10-point. Yes! And the foul for Sean Orgo. Look at this. Off the takeaway. Orgo took it coast to coast. Challenging the D of Maliwat.
And makikita mo na hinihingi ng titik niya yung alley-oop. Pero sabi niya, kanina pa ako pumapasa eh. Bigyan mo rin naman ako ng highlight.
Alright. Are up and in. Plus the foul for Paengare.
Sa wakas!
Yan ang ultimate sa wakas moment ni Paengare.
Kanina pa kita hinahanap eh.
8 points for Paeng. We'll have to check. Pero I think all of the game. Oh, Kabat scores off the steal. Tagaran with 9 rebounds already. So one more will give him a double-double. Oh yeah. Ooh. Play's broken up. Pass forward. Calabrico on the touchdown. 4 quick points by San Sebastian will trigger an Olsen Rosella timeout. Let's go to this quick break. Has been the catalyst of this San Sebastian run. 6 unanswered now for the Stags. That time, Prince, they did not set up. Yes! And the lead is down to 6. 8-0 run by San Sebastian.
And yan yung kanina pa natin inaantay. Umabot sa point na sila na mismo maintindihan nila. Kailangan na natin atakihin.
2-possession ball game. Ball is with Sean Orgo. Rojo Cruz steps into a 3.
Kabang!
MGC!
That might have been the dagger. A stab to the hearts.
Wow. And San Sebastian throws it away. We're just waiting for the final score.
I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take this time.
Yeah.
Kausap ko si Coach Olsen kanina. And shout out sa iyo, Coach Olsen. And syempre kay Coach Nash, sa wife ko at sa family ko na nanonood ngayon. Maraming
And
salamat.
that is 2 in a row for the Perpetual Altas. Coach Olsen will get his 4th win in season 100. They beat San Sebastian 60-52. In one of the fastest games in the season so far. What a finish for Perpetual, who did a great job in maintaining their lead and just stopping even a threat of a San Sebastian uprising dito sa ating laban.